Side Hustle Slim Jim here. If you are running a dropshipping store, a great marketing tip to get more sales, even while you're sleeping, is to integrate email and SMS into your store. It's basically like having an automatic salesperson who's just, it's a salesperson running 24/7 that you don't have to be involved with. I love automation, and email is great, but SMS is even better. You guys know I ran an SMS marketing company for quite a while. Open rate on emails is like 6%. Open rate on text messages is like 90%. So if you can integrate these into your dropshipping store, into your e-commerce store, it can drive a lot of extra sales. So I want to show you how to do that here today. So I'm using OmniSend to hook this up because they integrate with Shopify. They just make it super, super easy. You can try it for free. Always looking for products that you can try for free before you pay anything. Then you just click connect your store. So ton of different e-commerce platforms. Of course, I'm using Shopify for my desk relief store. Click connect store. Takes you over to Shopify. I can install there. Once you install it, it automatically grabs the assets from your store. Once you install it, it automatically goes to your store, grabs your logo, your color scheme, things like that. Then, of course, you can explore on your own, set up your own automations, but I'm looking for this icon right here. This do it automatically. Again, I'm busy. I'm doing a lot of different things. So if I can get technology to do something for me, I'm almost always going to say yes. So get my recommendations. So the first thing that they recommend is a welcome sequence. So basically when customers put in their email address somewhere, you kind of welcome them to your store, to your brand. So I'll go ahead and do that. Again, if you're not an e-commerce dropshipping expert, you don't really know what should be in this welcome sequence. So I love that they kind of help you through that. They recommend you put a discount. So you have a brand new customer, let's put a discount. We'll say a 10% discount. So that took all of about 5 seconds. And what do you know? I have my first automation. So once a customer signs up, they get a welcome email that just sends them a 10% discount. And you can edit this if you want. I could add in a text message if you wanted to, further emails, a push notification. If you're a marketer, you'll be really familiar with doing A/B testing. Maybe you want to try different subject lines on your welcome email, things like that. But my goal was to set up 3 automations. So if they each take 30 seconds, this is going to be a very short video. So we got our welcome email put in place. The second one is a abandoned cart. And this one's super important in e-commerce. If someone adds something to their cart, but they don't end up checking out, they don't end up paying, most of the time, most e-commerce stores just leave it there. It's like, oh, bummer, they almost bought. But you get way more sales if you nudge those people. They put it in their cart. So these are like warm leads. This is worth at least an email, if not also a text message. So I'm going to, and again, it's right here. They're suggesting this is what I was going to do anyways. So set up recovery workflows. So they're recommending in the third email in this flow, you give a discount. So if they put it in their cart, you kind of nudge them, then you nudge them a second time. If they still haven't purchased, then give them a discount. See if that nudge will kind of get them over the hump, get them to buy. So we'll do 10% there as well. So start a product abandonment workflow. So customers enter the workflow when they view a specific product. Customers exit the workflow when they place an order. Awesome. Again, you can edit it as you see fit. I could throw in a text message there too. That might be an effective way. Sometimes text messages annoy people though. You have to be careful with that. So this actually created 3 different workflows. One is if they have something in their cart, but then they don't end up purchasing it. One is if they're all the way to the checkout page. This is like the warmest somebody could possibly be. So, you really want to get in there like, hey, why did you not finish this checkout process? And then even this one, I like this one. They looked at a product, but then they didn't end up purchasing it. Just send them one email. You don't send them like a bunch, but just one. Hey, why did you not do this? Maybe you were looking at one of these products instead. So my goal was 3 automations. I actually have 4 here in about a minute, but I'm going to set up one more, and they recommend a customer reactivation workflow. So this is really important too. E-commerce thrives on people repurchasing. So this is a workflow for people who they made a purchase. So this is a good lead, but then they haven't purchased for a while. So start workflow for that. And again, automatically, this is all here. Wait 30 days, then say, hey, we haven't heard from you. Wait another 10 days, we miss you. Wait 5 days, we really miss you. And then you stop there. Again, don't just keep emailing them till the dawn of time. So again, if you're not comfortable, maybe you want to wait 15 days before you do this. Super easy to go in there and do that. So let me know in the comments, who runs a dropshipping store? This is like a no-brainer to get set up. Again, you can do it for free. And really the limitations on the free plan is you can only do it for up to 250 people. But if you're getting up to 300 people on your shopping cart, paying $11 a month is probably worth it for this. But again, when you're just starting out, I'm always looking, if you can start something for free, everybody with an e-commerce store should go sign up for OmniSend and at least give this a try. These automation campaigns are guaranteed to increase conversions at these key points. So link down below to sign up for OmniSend. Of course, if you're looking to start a dropshipping store or any other AI related store, hop into the AI Income Builders Club. Got a great community we're building. Just talking about AI, side hustles, new businesses, marketing. It's been a lot of fun. We do lives every Friday. It's been a lot of fun in there. And please subscribe. Get so many new viewers. Appreciate you guys being here. God bless you all and have a great rest of your day.